You must reach out with your feelings now. Blue, green, violet, red. Which one is calling to you? Open your eyes. Take the first step on your path. Excellent. To keep your crystal safe, make sure it's on that tiny square holder there in front of you on the workbench. You're going to need that crystal out of your hands so you can build a lightsaber. You're going to build the hilt, of course. The hilt is the saber. There is nothing else. The hilt of the lightsaber is not only the center of control, it's also the part that prevents your hands from disintegrating. Now, my fellow gatherers are placing before you a tray which is filled with components. If you take a look up and down the table, you'll see these trays are not all the same. But there's one part you all have in common. It's on your left, a long, thin tube called the chassis. That houses the kyber crystal. Decisions begin on the right with activation plates. Then left again to select sleeves, emitter caps, and pommel caps. You may be feeling a little overwhelmed. Trust the gatherer in front of you. These are the finest technicians in the galaxy. Let us build together.
Rise and Moons travelers, my name is Jess. I'm going to be helping you along your journey. Now, we're going to start with that chassis and your kyber system. On the chassis itself, you're going to find a red and a blue dot. You want that blue dot to point towards the ground. Reason being, there's a spring right inside where that blue dot is. Taking your crystal needle in, using the crystal to push down the spring. You're going to let the top part toward the center where there's a tiny hole at the top. It should start flowing your crystal color and it should stay put within the chassis without falling out.
I'll cook it a little bit.
There we go. Alright, now, you have two pairs of activation plates. You're choosing a set. One set or the other. You cannot mix and match them. On the inside will be those red and blue dots from before. Red will go with red, blue with blue, and once they are physically connected, you'll just snap it on comfortably to the chassis.
Now we're going to choose activation plates.
Beautiful. Can you test your switch? We're going to push down and twist it and go until it locks onto the switch. They said, can you test the switch? Beautiful. Now, we have 4 individual sleeves and we're choosing 2, any 2 you want. One will be for the top and the bottom. Any of these will be the top and bottom. You see that thick silver ring? It has to go in first. Push down, twist, keep going until it locks on. Beautiful. You have 4 individual sleeves. You get to choose 2. Any 2 you would like. One will be for the top of the hilt, the other for the bottom of the hilt. Any of these can be the top or bottom. At that thick silver ring on each side, you need to go push down, twist, keep going until it locks on. Other way.
Now, my friend, you could snap this chassis in two with your bare hands if you wanted. You have to protect it with steel.
Beautiful. Now you choose the emitter. One of those 2 for the top. Then when you twist on the bottom.
Now, please notice, because they have a lot of choice. The only thing you have to do
Last but not least, that
is still the edge of each piece.
last but not least, that funnel cap for the
To the middle.
push and twist. You gotta use some force, just not the force. Alright, my friend. Is that the one?
Fast hands, you have a great instinct for this work. The force is with you.
I love the little paneling on there. Carbon fiber.
Alright, my friend. Is that the one?
That's the one.
Beautiful build. Put 2. A great facility.